Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming tracking and audience basics, link ads to analytics, or deploy Google Tag Manager. Once done, create a remarketing list and set membership duration and precise conditions so you capture the right users. Then implement the Global Site Tag or GTM snippet across the site, testing with a tag assistant. Make sure to include event parameters for key pages like product, cart, and purchase so you can segment behavior later in the campaign creation. Next, you build the campaign using the audience segments you just created. Choose display, video, or search with remarketing and attach the correct list. Then set bids and bid strategies aligned to value. Use CPA, ROAS, or manual CPC as needed. Make sure to exclude converters or overlap lists to avoid wasted spend, and apply frequency caps. Create tailored creatives. Dynamic feed ads for product catalogs or responsive assets with messaging that matches user intent. Remind, incentivize, or personalize the CTA. Finally, launch and monitor performance closely. Track conversions, CTR, view-throughs, CPA, and ROAS so you know what's working. Once live, iterate, /B test audiences, creative variants, and bid strategies. Expand or narrow membership windows based on conversion lag. Make sure to optimize placements and use exclusions to reduce waste. If something breaks, first verify the tag fires and populates audiences. Confirm list sizes are above minimums, and check ad approvals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.